In this video, we'll be looking at key signatures with flats in them, and once you've watched this video, you will be able to identify key signatures of up to 6 flats and apply the rhymes to major and minor keys with flats in order to identify an unknown key signature. So to start, I'll explain the rhyme that we use to identify a key signature. Then I'll show you how to apply it in order to work out a key signature that you don't know. So as I mentioned previously, the flats in a key signature are always placed in a very specific order. And to remember this order, we use the rhyme battle ends and down goes Charles's father. This is exactly the same rhyme as we use for sharp keys, except it's in the reverse order. So instead of Father Charles goes down and ends battle, it's battle ends and down goes Charles's father. So how we use this to remember or work out major keys is just by following one simple step. So you find the flat before the last flat in the key signature. So in this example, the last flat is A flat, and the flat before that is E flat. And this letter is your key signature if it's in a major key, so E flat major. How to use it to find minor keys is very similar to the way that we find major keys, but it's just got one extra step. So you find that last flat, and then you find the flat before it in the key signature, so E flat, and you count down 2 letters, so E flat to D and D to C. And this letter is your key signature if it's in a minor key, so C minor. There is one exception to flat keys that doesn't fit in with the rhymes, and that's the key of F major or D minor, and that's because it only has one flat, which means you can't use the rules above for it. However, it is the only major flat key that doesn't have the word flat in its name, so it's not like B flat major or A flat major or E flat major, which all have flats in their name. So perhaps think F major is the first flat major in order to remember it. So now double check that you can identify key signatures of up to 6 flats and apply the rhymes to major and minor keys in order to identify an unknown key signature.